Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage server notification settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click here, and now you will find here notifications. Click on it like this. Here, as you see, you will find server notification settings. Now you can manage your server notification settings. You can make all notifications messages, only mentions, nothing. And that's it. That's how to manage notification settings, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.